Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Portal. Azure. Com with an account that has VM contributor or owner rights. This ensures you can stop and deallocate. Once done, verify the subscription and resource group so you operate on the right VM. Make sure you know the VM name and region. Now choose whether to shut down the OS from inside or use the portal's stop, deallocate action. The latter frees compute and stops billing for cores. Proceed to the virtual machine's blade to locate your VM. You can stop the VM from the portal or use command line tools for repeatability. If using the portal, open the VM's blade, click Stop, and choose Deallocate when you want compute released and billing reduced. If you prefer automation, run as login, then as VM stop resource group RG name VM name to shut down, or as VM deallocate to release the host. With PowerShell, connect as account, then stop as VM resource group name RG name VM name force achieves the same outcome. Make sure the command targets the correct resource. You finish by confirming the VM shows stopped, deallocated, in the portal or by running as VM show resource group RG name VM name query instance view. Statuses to check power state. If the VM won't stop, look for blocking items like guest OS extensions, disk locks, scale set dependencies, or Azure policy preventing deallocation. When you find an error, open the activity log to read the failure code and message. Once you resolve the blocker, retry the stop or deallocate action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.